Did you know that chocolate used to be money that grew on trees? We live in a world where more than 7 million metric tons of chocolate are consumed each year. But most people know very little about this immensely famous treat. Cacao beans were used as currency in Mayan times and were valued more than gold dust. Cacao tree cultivation was regulated to keep the value of the cocoa bean in check. Otherwise, simply growing your currency would have been too appealing. Chocolate wasn't always dense and sweet. Until 1847, chocolate was a delicacy savored in the form of a bitter liquid. After blending cocoa butter, sugar and chocolate liquor, the British chocolate manufacturer Fry and Sons pioneered the concept of eating chocolate. Daniel Peter, a Swiss chocolatier and entrepreneur, spent 8 years attempting to perfect a milk chocolate formula. It wasn't until 1875 that he recognized condensed milk was the solution to all of his problems. We are delighted that Daniel didn't give up. When it comes to cacao beans, it takes 400 cacao beans to generate 1 pound of chocolate. Each cacao tree only yields 2 to 3 pounds of chocolate per year. Chocolate has an antimicrobial impact on the mouth, and it has been proved that eating pure cocoa prevents tooth decay. Which begs the question, why doesn't anyone make a chocolate-flavored toothpaste?